Welcome back. This is lesson 2 in this section of the training copy and paste options. Still on the training how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the copy and paste value. Our focus is the paste value option, the different paste value options available to an Excel user. I am Amaka Ifebonando, your instructor. First of all, before you can paste any cell or cell range, that cell range ought to be copied. And in our previous lesson, we looked at a different way you can copy a cell or a range of cell. Subsequently, in this section of the training, I'll be using the Ctrl C, that's a keyboard shortcut, to copy a cell or a range of cell. So I'll select the range I want to copy, then I'll press my Ctrl C. Immediately, the copy action is active. You can see the moving borders. After selecting it, I'll go to the point I will want to paste it. Select the first cell. This is the point I will love to paste the selected range I just copied. I click on the first cell I want to paste it. Now, before we go to select the paste value option, it is important to understand the behavior of the paste value. The paste value option is 3, and each one thing you know is that the paste value option does not paste formula. In our previous lesson, we looked at the default option that also pastes that pastes formula, but this particular option does not consider pasting formula. It just pastes the values the way it is. Though we have different option of the paste value, which we'll be exploring. But in each of those options, the pasting of formula is not considered, right? So I select the point at which I want to paste the copied range. You go to your home tab. Under the clipboard section, click on the drop down arrow of the paste button. There's a drop down arrow, just click on it, and here you go. This is the paste value section, and you can see we have 3 options. We'll be using the first option, which is just values only. So I'll go with this. Right, you can see the effect. Our date, you can see that our date is different from the copied range. We are just pasting values, so it pastes only values. This is the value behind the date, right? So this is the effect of the first paste value option. No formatting of text, no formatting of number, no formatting of date, just the value. You can see that all the borders, the bold we applied from where the source range we copied is not applied here. Look at the percentage, no comma separation on our numbers. So the effect is it pastes the cell range copied as value, plain value, right? Now for us to explore the other 2 options, rather than going back to this button, you'll see that we have a paste button option here. You can see that. So we'll use this to explore the other 2 paste value options. So you select the drop down arrow. This is the second. The second one paste the number and formatting of the selected cell range we've copied. So it pastes the value but applies number formatting. Let's see the effect. Right. You see, our date formatting is back because we applied number formatting, and the date formatting is part of number formatting. You can see our comma separation is on our numbers now. Our percentage is right on the percentage, the gross profit column. So the number formatting applies the formatting on the number just as it is on the copied cell range. So the other formatting is not applied because they are not number formatting. So let's explore the third option. Still using this button, the paste button. The third option help paste the value and keep source formatting. So all the formatting from the range we copied will be applied now. Good. So you can see the border is intact. All the formatting is applied. All the formatting. The date is intact. Our number is having comma separation. Our gross profit is there. The text is bold, just as it is from the range we copied. So you see the different paste value option. The only thing is that the 3 option does not paste formula, just as I stated earlier. It just pastes the value the way it is. It does not paste formula, so it doesn't consider pasting formula. So have that in mind. So that's the way you paste value. That's the 3 options you can explore while pasting value, and whichever suits your preference, you go for it. So when you are done with this, you have to cancel your copy action. You can see that the border is still, you're still having a moving border in the range you selected and copied from, meaning that the copy action is still active. So the best thing is to cancel when you are done. So I will click on the escape key on my keyboard to cancel the copy action. Good. So you can see immediately the copy action is deactivated when you are done. So this is how you go about exploring the different paste value options we have in Excel. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.